All right, y'all, back at it with another classic. We got a 1990 Cadillac Brougham D Elegance. This thing's super clean. It's got new paint on it, so let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, she's black with a maroon interior, red stripe down the side, and we got 22-inch all chromes, of course, with the Vogue tires. So the paint, like I said, it is a newer paint job. You are going to see a couple little specks and things here and there, because if you watch any of the earlier videos today, we've been doing a full clean out. So we had every car sitting outside today, and I had to wait for the floors to dry before we can bring them back in. So we got a little bit of dust on them, but nothing too crazy. So getting into it, paint and body's pretty solid. You can see the chrome cladding at the bottom. That's been painted black. I'm gonna go ahead and keep moving. No dents or anything that need to be pointed out. Top is in pretty good condition. Don't see any splitting, any cuts or anything there. So we're gonna keep on rolling. Come to the rear of the car. The rear quarter looks solid. No crazy waves or dents or anything need to be pointed out. Bumper fillers are in excellent condition. As you can see, she's got the 5.7. Let's go ahead and move around here. Bumpers look good, impact strips intact. Chrome, no peeling, no rust, nothing to point out there. Again, the trunk itself looks pretty solid. You guys can see again, newer paint. Rear glass is good. Looking on the driver's side, again, no waves, no dents, nothing that need to be pointed out there. The wheels are new, so we won't point on that. Top is in good, pretty good condition. You can see there is a little bit of a hump there. Pretty solid. As we move down the car, again, doors look good. I don't have any dents, nothing that I can point out here. Windshield's in great condition. No rock chips, no cracks, no spider webbing. And as we keep coming to the front fender, again, fenders look great on both sides, as well as the bumper fillers, grill, and the bumper. Front bumper, no chrome, no dents. Already had the hood open, so we can go ahead and go through it. Guess it don't matter if I still got to get the keys for the trunk, but underneath solid. Again, she's got the 5.7, power brakes, power steering, AC works, and it does blow cold. Gotta love the gold keys for the Elegance. Got the old school mats. We kept them in there just in case somebody wanted them. Trunk is clean. You can see it's carpeted. OG. Got the OG hubcaps. Pretty solid car, obviously. And you got your soft close. Still works. Moving into the interior. Beautiful maroon interior. No rips, no tears on this door panel. Seats look great. All buttons accounted for. No discoloration, and solid headliner. I don't see any sagging. Carpet looks great in the rear as well. Door lights work, of course. Let's go ahead. Passenger door panel, same. No rips, no tears. Exactly what you expect. Carpet looks beautiful. And passenger seat in great condition as well, with no rips or anything. Dash looks great. You see we got the OG Crown air freshener in there. That does not come with the car. That's a keepsake for us, but you know, Broughams look dope with them in there. It reminds you of, you know, what people had them in. So again, does not come with the car. Rest of our rear seat, again, beautiful interior. No issues that I can really point out there as far as the leather is concerned, the headliner, the carpet, driver door, everything looks solid, as well as the carpet. This seat does have a little more wear in it as expected from people sitting in it, but still no cracks, no splits. Let me go ahead and get in here. Move my air freshener out the way. I don't want y'all in the comments talking about, can you get it? Throw the seatbelt on. Fire her up. Oh, didn't hold it long enough. That's on me. There we go. Mileage reads 82,970. Horn works. I know all the windows work. We had them up. Good there. Door locks work. Seat is working. All 6 of them, so that's cool. Let's check the radio. Radio works. I know the AC works. And it's blowing. I'll turn that off. Left turn signal, right turn signal. You guys see the level ride on. Lights are on. I can see them dim there and see them off the wall. Wipers work. And that is it for, let me check map lights. Map lights good. All right, let's roll. Fuel tank reads a little over half. Digital, so no reason for it to not be correct. Man, I hate driving on this floor. We just got through cleaning everything and it's still a little bit wet. But man, I ain't want to wait all day to get these videos in either, so. I can tell the alignment is solid already. Hands off the wheel, she's tracking straight, so I kind of expected that. Guess I should have checked the brakes before I pulled off. Brakes feel good, nice and firm as we expect. Nothing there to worry about. Give it some gas. Motor sounds good. I don't hear any ticking. I don't hear any belt squeal. Shifts were smooth, so that's always a plus. The little tick tick whatever sound that you guys hear, that's the stickers on the tires because they're brand new, so you're just hearing those tires go around and around. Don't hear anything crazy. Let's give it a little more gas as I bend this corner. Not bouncing all over the road. Suspension feels solid. Windows aren't rattling in the doors, so. And we're doing about 45. Still nice and steady, not shaking or anything, so solid. These normally do ride pretty good as expected, so really no frills about it. There's nothing exciting. They just kind of float, so. You can tell a little bit of a power difference in the 5.7 and the 5.0, and obviously if you want a Brougham, you wanted the elegance #1, and then secondly you want the 5.7. So give me a minute, we'll get back and we'll get her on the rack. Brougham up on the rack again. Rear bumper looks good, no dents, no rust. Got the OG gas tank. Frame extensions all look nice and clean. Let's get up under here. Stock suspension, drum brakes up in the rear. No signs of leak from the rear end. We'll go down this right side. Floors look beautiful. Looks like they still got the original factory coating on there. No soft spots. Still got the cats on. Frame looks nice and straight. Then we come down this passenger side. Frame is nice and straight. And then again, the floors look beautiful. No soft spots, no patchwork. Looks nice and clean. Just came off the test drive. No signs of leak from the oil or trans pan. Disc brakes up in the rear. All factory suspension, it appears. And we'll go ahead and keep moving. Nice and clean. Nothing to point out here. Front bumper looks clean. Again, no dents, no chrome rusting or anything like that. And then come around here. Wheels are brand new, all 4 corners, so we won't point that out again. Chrome cladding looks solid underneath. Our rear quarter panel looks good. No waves, no dents. And let's knock out this driver's side. Again, looks good. Nothing to really point out here. Chrome cladding looks solid. Frame nice and straight, so. Y'all, so if you're interested in this 90 Brougham, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.